In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom goal tracker in ClickUp. Whether you're aiming to streamline your workflows or just keep a close eye on progress, setting up a goal tracker is a practical way to visualize and achieve your objectives efficiently. Let's dive right in and explore how you can set this up in ClickUp. To begin, navigate to the ClickUp platform and select all folders from your workspace. This step is crucial as it allows you to see the broader picture of all your listed projects and tasks. Viewing all folders gives you a comprehensive look at the structure within your ClickUp workspace, ensuring that nothing slips through the cracks as you plan your goals. Next, you'll want to find and click on the Highlight feature. Within ClickUp, highlights are incredibly useful for quickly identifying important items among a sea of tasks. This feature helps you pinpoint the areas that need the most focus and makes navigation much more effortless as you work through setting up your goal tracker. After highlighting the necessary elements, proceed to click on Templates. Templates are a powerhouse feature of ClickUp that can save you immense amounts of time. Rather than constructing a goal tracker from scratch, utilizing templates helps you leverage pre-existing layouts tailored for productivity. This step is about efficiency, capitalizing on ClickUp's capabilities that are designed to boost how you manage and track goals. Once you're in the Templates section, you might have previous searches cluttering your view. Clicking on Clear Search is your next move. This action ensures you're working with a clean slate, allowing you to find and access the most relevant template without distractions. Keeping your workspace uncluttered is essential for maintaining focus and ensuring you're applying the most fitting template for your needs. Now, with a clean and organized view, click on Quick Use. This option is ideal for instantly applying a template to your current workspace. Quick Use eliminates any extra steps and lets you implement your template with minimal hassle, setting up your goal tracker efficiently and effectively. With this tool, you can manage your goals dynamically, tailoring the templates to meet your specific project requirements. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have successfully set up a custom goal tracker in ClickUp. Using these features, you'll be well equipped to maintain a strategic overview of your tasks and progress, enabling you to steer your projects towards successful completion. So keep exploring ClickUp's features, and don't forget to customize your workspace to best match your workflow preferences. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you find great success in tracking and achieving your goals.